Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's episode of Just Hack It, we'll be learning how to update the bootloader of any OpenTX radio. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. So the first step will be locating the firmware file which you use to update the firmware on your radio. So this step is for those guys who are having trouble locating the file. So you need to click on download, and from there you will get this window, and you need to click on download firmware, and then you will get a pop-up window. Through that pop-up window you can see the location of the firmware file, and in my case it is local disk E. And now I'm gonna be closing this window, and we're gonna be locating that file in the local disk E. Now we'll be doing some modifications into this file. We'll be reducing the amount of characters in this file so it can be recognized by OpenTX. So we need to make sure that the number of characters are less than 20. So I'll just rename it as X7 version 2.3.14. And once it's done, we will connect our TX to our PC. On connecting the TX, you will get two pop-up options. The first one will be the running it as a simulator joystick, and another option will be running it as a mass storage. You need to select on the storage option. On selecting the storage option, you will get an extra drive in your computer, and then you need to open that drive and search for the firmware folder inside it. Now I'll right click on that file and select copy option, and now I'll go and open the SD card. And now we'll be locating the firmware folder, and you can also see that these are all the SD card contents of my TX. So make sure that you only open the firmware folder, and here you have to paste that file. Now this is the final step. We'll be long pressing menu button, and we'll press the page button to reach the SD card menu, and from there we will go to the firmware folder. Here we have that file. Now we will long press the select button, and we'll get the option, and we need to select the flash bootloader option, and then it will start flashing the bootloader. And now we will check it. And so first of all, I'm gonna be switching off my TX, and now I'll be entering into the bootloader mode. And at the top you can see the bootloader version is 2.3.14. So yeah, we have done it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this.